Hey there guys, it's John Waite here. Thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with this review, are you ready to revolutionize your internet marketing game? Imagine having a team dedicated to crafting your entire online marketing empire, guiding you until you hit that impressive milestone of earning $10,000 per month. If this ambitious journey excites you, then dive into the first link in the description to explore more. Before I do that, I want to tell you about the 4 awesome bonuses that I'm going to give you when you pick this product up through the link below this video. Bonus number 1, I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a method or a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to pick them up, how to get them, and how to mail them with a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 a month. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my 2023 free traffic method that is getting me a ton of free traffic to my websites, blogs, and offers. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel to promote Empire Course, so that it's literally like having your own course without needing to do any of the setup or any of the support. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword inside YouTube. So those are the 4 awesome bonuses that you're going to get. So with that said, let's jump straight over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.
Imagine if a brand new money-making AI just fell from the sky, a chance to dive deep into the world of AI and upgrade your copy of ChatGPT so that it actually makes you money. I'm talking real profits with AI, something so simple, even your dog can do it. Okay, maybe not your dog, but you know what I mean. Hey, Chris here, old school marketer, builder of software. Or at least I used to be, because I just retired from internet marketing, all that old stuff. I'm done. It's over. Right now I'm lounging, playing PlayStation, while my AI makes me money. All I need to do is browse a money-making menu and tell the AI which dish I want it to serve. It's weird, but not as weird as the results. Just look at this. Real affiliate commissions I made by simply plugging my affiliate link into the AI. And take a look at this. Real buyer traffic I got from plugging my product into the AI, and this too, real money I made by plugging the AI into a brand new freelance account that I just opened. Now look, I have no interest in making $250 for an hour's work, but with the AI I was able to sell services that I didn't make myself to people I'd never met on sites I'd never use. In fact, the AI fulfilled the services for me. It even closed the deal for me. All I had to do was copy-paste from the AI once to get the client, then copy-paste once more to fulfill the order the client wanted. And look, these are just 3 random examples from the last 30 days. And I have many more. Maybe you'd like to clone these results and have the AI beam these campaigns into your account? Well, it's possible. You just need to know the words to say. And it's all because of a new system, a new tactic I call AI whispering. Okay. Now here's what you need to do now. Click the button below this video. You'll get instant access to the AI Whisperer, the software, the training videos, the templates, the PDF ebook which explains how to profit. You'll get it all. So you can put your feet up and let the AI do the heavy lifting. I can't promise you helicopter money, private jet cash, but I can promise you, this is the easiest and most enjoyable money I've ever made. So what are you waiting for? Click the button to get started. Thanks, and I'll see you on the other side.